Today I want to show you how to use Superwhisper for meetings. If you record calls or interviews, you probably want two things: a clean transcript of who said what, and a quick way to grab all the important key points without having to read everything. Superwhisper can handle the full workflow. It can capture audio directly from your system, transcribe it with speaker separation, and let you process everything with AI however you need. Let's look at the simplest way to get started. Head over to the Modes tab and create a meeting mode. Let's click the gear icon in the bottom right to open the sidebar. A couple of things here. By default, this mode records from system audio. That's perfect for capturing everything from your computer: meetings, online courses, videos, you name it. You will also see an Identify Speakers toggle. This feature allows Superwhisper to identify and separate speakers, but this is important. This will only be reflected in the raw transcript. The AI summary that meeting mode generates will not actually make use of that separation. I'll dive into that in just a moment. Another thing to consider is that different transcription models handle speaker identification differently. So for now, I'll go with Nova 3, which I know is solid. When you're ready for your meeting, just switch to this new mode and hit your recording shortcut to start. When the meeting wraps up, hit the shortcut again to stop recording. Superwhisper will start processing everything. If you decide to record the meeting externally with another app, you can also use Superwhisper to process that file with your meeting mode. Just make sure the correct mode is selected, then go to Superwhisper's menu bar icon and choose Transcribe File. Let's head over to the History tab and expand the result we just got. The AI here pays attention to any names mentioned in the audio to figure out who said what. For a lot of users, this will probably be good enough, but if you need more precision, there's the option we enabled for speaker separation when creating the mode, and this is where the voice model choice matters. Something like Nova that I used when I was setting up the mode can give you something really clean, and you can access that directly in the speaker's view. Here, you can click to rename each participant. So now you have this transcript that is cleanly separated into who said what. You could take this to an external AI tool like ChatGPT for a summary, but like I mentioned in the beginning, the whole workflow is possible within Superwhisper. We have already learned about custom modes, so let's go ahead and create one with a simple instruction. I'll go to the Modes tab, create a new mode, select Custom, and for instructions, I will just say, summarize the meeting transcript provided in my clipboard with clear speaker separation. For each person, create a section with a heading and bullet points showing the main contributions. Include timestamps for the most important key points. At the end, add a separate action items section for any lists, tasks, decisions, or follow-ups mentioned, and note who is responsible if the information is available. Great! Since I mentioned that I will be providing the transcript in my clipboard, I will just open the sidebar and select Copy Text. I also want to make sure that Auto Paste is set to off so that the result stays in the recording window. With your custom mode, it doesn't have to be clipboard context. You could also use application context and have your speaker separated transcript in a note. In that case, in your instructions, you could specify for the AI to process the content found in application context. The point here is that with custom modes and the different context types available in Superwhisper, you get a lot of flexibility, even for this kind of specialized tasks. Now I'm back in history. I just have to switch to the mode I just created for processing my meetings. I also have to make sure I'm in the speaker's view. I'll click Copy in the middle of my recording. Hey, process this meeting. The AI will go through all of this and give me a summary based on the speaker-separated transcript following the instructions I specified within the mode. If you need a refresher on how application or clipboard context works, make sure to go check out the video on Supermode. To quickly wrap this up, Superwhisper gives you a lot of flexibility for meetings. For a fast, general summary, meeting mode will be great for you. If you need something more precise, the workflow is use a mode with speaker separation to get that clean transcript. Then you can process that externally with AI or with a custom mode where you set your own requirements. No matter which way you go, that raw speaker-separated transcript is in your history, so you can always get back to the details if you need them.